Hi everybody, thanks for joining me today. I'm Lisa from South Dublin Libraries and today I'm going to show you how to make a Darth Vader bookmark. So we'll start with what we're going to need today. You will need some black paper, the scissors, and I'm going up to help you with some cutting out. You need a black pen, white paint, or if you have a silver or white pen, a blue pen and a red pen and some glue. So let's get started.
So we start with our black piece of paper, and what we do is fold this corner over to the other side, making sure the straight sides are lined up at the top. So now we have a crisp triangle. We're going to cut this excess piece off, and we will keep that because we will need it later on for his helmet. So this is where you get your grown-up or your safety scissors to cut this piece off. Now, we just put that to one side. And we'll take our triangle, and what we're going to do again is fold this corner and bring it right up to the top. Again, keeping the edges straight. And the same with this other corner. Now, we'll open those last two folds back out again. And we take this top point up here and fold it back so that the tip is in line with the bottom edge. Now we'll take this corner in, and we're actually going to tuck it under like this. So make sure your folds are nice and crisp and tuck it right in and under. And the same with this other corner. And there we go, that's the start of our book corner. So now we'll take our piece of paper from earlier and we'll cut out a semicircle that will become the helmet. Now I'm going to fold my semicircle in half, and I'm going to cut a small semicircle along the bottom edge for his eyes, just to create some extra definition. So I'll open my semicircle back out and line him up in position to make sure I'm happy with the sizing. Now I'm going to go back to the spare piece of paper and we're going to create a little triangle for the bottom. I'll take my PVA glue and put a little bit on the back of the helmet to stick to the top of the book corner. then I'll put a little bit of glue along the longest edge of the triangle and I'll stick that to the back of the folds. Great. So now I have our Darth Vader shape. Now we'll take our marker and fill in our eyes. I'm also going to draw some lines down the side of his face for some definition. I'm going to darken up the eyes and the lines with another darker marker just to make them a bit more clear. Great. Now I'll take my white pen and I'm going to draw in the detail at the front. Now, he's coming along nicely. Next, I'm going to do some designs on the bottom. I'm going to do 2 lines on either side, 4 small squares along the bottom, and a few more horizontal lines above that. I'm going to go back with my black marker and draw a line down the centre of the helmet for more detail. I'm going to fill in one of the white squares with a red pen and one with a blue pen. There we go. It's our Darth Vader.
So here we have our finished Darth Vader bookmark, and earlier I also made a baby Yoda in his hover pram, and I made a stormtrooper. So for the stormtrooper it was just white paper and a black pen and scissors and the glue, and for baby Yoda, if you have different coloured cards, you can make up a baby Yoda, or you can use the same template, the same basic book corner, to make up any Star Wars characters you like. So hope you enjoyed it today, and if you have any of your own bookmark creations, please post them in the comments below and I'll take a look, and I will see you again soon. Bye!